Cryptography, the art of secret writing, has protected information for millennia, from ancient civilizations to the digital age. The need to secure communication has driven innovation. One early example is the Caesar Cipher, used by Julius Caesar to protect military messages. This simple substitution cipher shifted letters in the alphabet, ensuring that only those with the key could decode the message. The Caesar Cipher, though simple, highlights the fundamental principles of cryptography: confidentiality and authentication. By encrypting his messages, Caesar ensured that only intended recipients could understand them. Furthermore, the cipher allowed recipients to verify the sender's identity, as only Caesar and his trusted officers possessed the encryption key. This combination of secrecy and authenticity has remained at the heart of cryptography throughout history. The Middle Ages witnessed a flourishing of cryptography, particularly within monasteries. Monks, tasked with copying and preserving ancient texts, developed sophisticated ciphers to safeguard their knowledge. They recognized the importance of protecting not only religious texts, but also philosophical and scientific writings often deemed heretical by authorities. One such cipher was the polyalphabetic cipher, a significant advancement over Caesar's method. This cipher employed multiple alphabets for encryption, making it far more difficult to crack. By introducing complexity and variability, medieval cryptographers significantly strengthened the security of their codes, demonstrating a growing understanding of the principles of cryptography. Their work laid the groundwork for future breakthroughs. The 20th century witnessed the rise of mechanized cryptography, epitomized by the Enigma Machine. Used by the German military during World War II, the Enigma Machine utilized a series of rotating rotors to encrypt messages, creating an incredibly complex cipher. The Enigma Machine's strength lay in its ability to generate an astronomical number of possible settings, making brute force decryption nearly impossible. The Allies, recognizing the strategic importance of breaking the Enigma code, assembled a team of brilliant mathematicians and codebreakers at Bletchley Park in England. Led by Alan Turing, they developed sophisticated techniques and machines, including the electromechanical bomb, to decipher Enigma's messages. Their success in breaking the Enigma code is credited with shortening the war and saving countless lives, highlighting the critical role cryptography plays in global conflicts. The advent of computers revolutionized cryptography, paving the way for the complex encryption algorithms we use today. Public key cryptography, a groundbreaking development, uses a pair of keys, one public for encryption and one private for decryption. This system addressed the long-standing problem of key distribution, enabling secure communication without the need for a shared secret key. Today, cryptography is not only about securing information, but also about building trust in the digital world. Blockchain technology, the foundation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, utilizes cryptography to create secure and transparent ledgers. By leveraging decentralized networks and complex algorithms, blockchain ensures the integrity of transactions and data, opening up new possibilities for secure and transparent systems. Looking ahead, quantum computing poses both challenges and opportunities for cryptography. While quantum computers threaten to break many existing encryption algorithms, they also hold the potential for unbreakable encryption methods based on the principles of quantum mechanics. The future of cryptography will be shaped by this ongoing race between code makers and code breakers, ensuring that the quest to secure information continues.